My people, another matter wey happen for Kenya don come una door again. Yes, this one na secondary school wey dey Kenya, and the school girls now don come outside come dey protest because according to them, they say people dey rape them and nobody dey do anything about am. And even the principal dey aware, dey very much aware, but she still dey threa ten them, say they must not talk and the matter must not go outside. And as I dey talk to una, this matter don happen before, wey eight of her students carry belle, wey Ministry of Education even come dey question am. Na so they settle matter until they come readmit am again. Yes, my people, but before I continue, abeg, I wan make una watch these children wey I dey talk about. See the video by yourself.
Ametaka kuchukua letter of good conduct, anataka kwa principal of the year. Si atuonyeshe tu vizuri kwa principal of the year, si kutuacha hapa hivi ati ana protect reputation ya shule yake. Anasema tu jina yake covered in the name of the blood of Jesus. Hiyo ni nini? Ana threaten ma witness, anawaambia wakisema kitu atawapeleka jela. Wana threaten walimu wasipigie wazazi simu. Hata na threaten walimu.
They're telling the principal is telling her that you're just trying to destroy my name, but I'm protected with the blood of Jesus.
My people, wetin remain again? Una know they say they very obvious, say this war don't they finish. I dey tell una, and the reason why this matter come outside now, as una already know, it don't dey happen before. The reason why it come outside now na because the girls, the students, come catch man dey rape another student, and the principal even dey aware again. When the principal contact them, say if this matter reach public or reach their parents, say she go deal with them. My people, now police come dey question am based on the protest, the video wey una watch. Police come call am, dey question am, say how far. The woman come open mouth dey talk nonsense. Abeg, no, relax. I wan make una hear me very well. The woman come talk say the school dey very fenced and protected. Say they even get CCTV cameras everywhere for the school, and then stranger no fit enter wey nobody go notice. So therefore, the students dey rape themselves for the dormitory and for bedroom. This na only girls school o. Be like say una no understand. Only girls school. Now this woman come outside, say the students agree. I will bring this woman outside. Now people like this I like to dey deal with. You understand, madam? So for your mind now, the thing wey you talk now makes sense. And wait. You thought say the children, the students, they rape themselves. Wetin they use rape themselves? Now you they provide the toys where they use, and the toys now, the toys get blood, it get vein where they bring out sperm. No, because now wetin she talk, say they do am by themselves. I no go dey surprised say this woman they do all these things when she dey very young. Now she dey try pass am to all these younger ones. My people, no be small matter. It is this thing na big disgrace. Make person of this age come outside come talk this kind of thing. Serious disgrace. Now why as parents, my people, una suppose dey very careful the kind school where una dey put una children. Una suppose find out first, because nowadays things dey happen for this world. You suppose dey careful before you no go know. Now you don't go train lesbian for school. You say na business admin she go read. Una suppose dey very careful. So if I be you, before I go put my child for school, I go find out, go to school, ask questions. Imagine this kind of school now. No, just imagine how those students will come outside. And government, I beg, Kenya government, I dey beg you, do something about this case. Let this woman no go free. If not, the next case will go happen. It go be times 10 of this one when we dey talk about. I be my people, wetin una think? I still want to know una opinion. Wetin you think say suppose happen to this woman and the school itself? And the people where she dey cover, because now the rapist, she know them. For her to do all those things, like they say, she know the people. So wetin suppose happen? Drop am for the comment section. This matter now, me and you get am. And if you never subscribe, I dey beg. I dey beg. You understand? No send me go back to my village. Subscribe, share this video, make it go viral, and click on that like button too. They're very, very important. I will see you later. My people, Chisom Adams, now 24 years old boy, I be man, wey dey date one sugar mommy for UK. Now matter don meet me, say him do video as they dey, you understand? They just dey bang each other. Him do video, and now he don threa ten the woman say if she no give am £3,000, say that video go reach her children and e go expose am to the whole world for them to see. Now as I dey talk to una now, my people, they don give am sen ten ce to 40 months in prison. Wetin be 40 months? Una too abroad people say una dey vex me sometimes. Efulefu. My brother, you leave Nigeria where fine girls full, young girls, vibrant girl, you go abroad, you say na old mama you dey go do. Yes, so and the woman now, you know say sometimes wetin you think say dey work for your country no be wetin dey work for another person country. The guy think say if na Nigeria now, you understand, if you just tell girl say I get your video, I go post am, they go dey fear, they go wan do anything. You don't know say na old cargo him don go jam. The woman say today this one no go work. Na so the woman come say okay, the woman go meet police, arrange the thing. You dey joke with white people, my brother. Today your own don finish. Now they don catch am. Yes, e be like say the woman, you understand, they plan am. You know say white people, when white people dey strategize, when they wan catch you, nothing wey you go do. I will put this guy picture, make these people see who are they talk about. Chai! See him face like who no suck him mama breast when he's small. Just dey. You think say UK and Nigeria where idiots like you they escape when you don't bribe policeman? Nigeria na so they do. Small thing, you just give policeman 50 naira, 100 naira. Your case is closed. This one, my brother, this is UK and things they happen for there. UK, they know they joke with their law. You understand? See, your mates they Nigeria, they cry. Imagine all these NSAS things where they happen. People they cry say if they get chance, go abroad. Now this guy get chance. You say your own, now to scam person, you are now the opportunity where you want use and do. I pity you. You don't know who you just jam. Anyway, I don't even blame the boy self. Now the woman. Now people like una they spoil this society. Now una they make us not to get boyfriend. Yes, because assuming you know they follow my mates now, where me I suppose date, I no go date single. You have carried them. Now una they cause am. I be my people. Because me now, I dey look, I no talk anything, sha. Now the matter be that, my people. So me, I dey against this woman, and I dey against sugar mommy. Make una leave sugar mommies alone. I be my people. Wait till una think. I still want know. You understand?